A flaming projectile hits a vessel anchored off the coast of the Tunisian capital. It's the second time in just 24 hours a boat in the Gaza-bound aid flotilla has been hit.
Our humanitarian, non-violent solidarity mission to Gaza to break the siege and to create a humanitarian corridor was attacked once again. Unfortunately, we've seen that the drones come, they drop their incendiary devices, and they try to stop our mission.
There is no other government that is interested to stop such a civilian movement except the government of Israel. So this what they happened. It's a violation of Tunisian law, violation of civilians, attack on a ship that carry humanitarian aid with civilians on board.
The activists from the Global Sumud Flotilla say no one was injured in the attack in the early hours of Wednesday and little damage was done. It bears striking similarity to another incident at almost the same time one day earlier, which hit the lead boat of the flotilla. Activists say that was also a drone strike, although the Tunisian National Guard has denied this, saying the fire broke out on the deck of the ship. Hundreds of people have been flocking to the port since the attacks to stand in solidarity with the aid mission. And members of the flotilla say the attacks have strengthened their resolve to break Israel's blockade and siege of Gaza.
Unless there are changes in the weather or technical issues in on our ships or certain situation with our participants that does not allow to sail, there has been absolutely no change on our determination. Everyone we spoke to, they are determined to continue being part of this mission.
The flotilla set out from the Spanish city of Barcelona last month and reached Tunis on Sunday to refuel. With around 50 boats and hundreds of people on board, the flotilla says these latest attacks have driven even more volunteers to join their mission, to get life-saving aid to the people of Gaza. Alex Baird, Al Jazeera.
Don't miss out. Get the full picture. Subscribe to Al Jazeera for reliable news, expert insight. Like, share, stay ahead.